Dumpster Rental, Irvine, Kentucky. Need a reliable waste solution for your project? Big Blue Dumpster Company LLC offers fast, affordable, and efficient dumpster rental in Irvine, Kentucky. We provide a variety of dumpster sizes to fit any project, whether it's a home renovation, commercial cleanout, or large construction job. Our team ensures timely delivery so you can keep your project on track without unnecessary delays or hassles. At Big Blue Dumpster Company LLC, we understand that every project is unique. That's why we offer flexible rental periods, giving you the time and convenience to complete your job without stress or rush. Our pricing is clear and straightforward, with no hidden fees or unexpected costs. We believe in complete transparency to help you stay within your budget and avoid surprises. Our knowledgeable and friendly customer service team is here to guide you through the process and help you select the right dumpster size. We're dedicated to ensuring you have the best experience possible from start to finish, no matter the project size. Regardless of the size of your project, we're committed to providing fast pickups and excellent service. Let us help keep your worksite clean, organized, and efficient for success. Call Big Blue Dumpster Company LLC at 859-544-4795 today to reserve your dumpster rental. We handle your waste disposal so you can focus on completing the job efficiently.